The numbering plan in EasyUC shows you which numbers in their number range are free and which are occupied. This should make it easier for you to get an overview of the numbering plan so that you can manage it better. From the number plan, you can also select a free number directly to create a new telephone with this number. Here you can choose whether you want to create a telephone without an end user in EasyUC, whether the telephone should be created for an existing user, or whether a new local user should be created. If you want to create it for an existing user, EasyUC checks whether this user has already created Jabber phones. Another function of the number range is that you can reserve numbers. This is intended so that other EasyUC users do not give out the same number to the HR department as they do. For this reason, you can simply reserve a number and all other EasyUC users will see this reservation and will no longer be able to use that number. As soon as the user has been imported into EasyUC via LDAP, the reservation is automatically cancelled.